Yes, so new day, new opportunities. Morning, everyone. New day, new opportunities. We're here now. We are where we are. We're here. Um, I don't believe this time is a human construct, so we don't know where we are. All we know that it's a new day. So enjoy enough days as possible, and then you're gone. But yeah, we're here now. So they finished um, the steel bending, and now the plumber comes into play. So he continues. The plumber continues this. Sets the toilet, so we're going to be free. These two are going to be sharing one. So these two will share that bit there, and that bit there will share one toilet. So you can see, and then we'll go through here, and that's the bath. Okay, that's the basin here. There be where WC ana ana be fa ana initial the anymore. Okay, ana we so initial the any. Then there's one left. Yeah. Okay, that's how it's gonna work. Yesterday we had the almighty rain, like the whole day rain. So rain is like snow here. Everyone has to stay indoors, so no one could work. So now yeah, started a new bit now. This is the kitchen, and these two kitchens. This kitchen, yeah. So it looks like they're gonna share. Yeah, they're going to share. That's where we are now. Oh, I'm forgetting the mic. What a mic! A better mic to stop the wind blowing when I'm doing the thing, so you can hear me more clearly. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So that's where we are now. This guy's gonna do his work. I think we'll do it within a day. I paid for the supplies already, so that should be easy. And then that's it. You're wondering what these stones are for? These stones are to put underneath. So you need to raise the steel so that you can put the electrical pipes. These electrical pipes. These are the Interplast ones, so that you can put the pipes underneath it, so that there's a gap between the steel. That's how it's gonna work. What's morning, sir?